This video is for BMMA. This one is quite easy. We already did this in our classroom too. So I hope you guys can do it without any help. But anyway, you guys want the video. So here I am explaining every step again. So this said header and footer are essential part of a professional document. You are going to mess with header and footer only. And a number of objects can be inserted in both the header and footer. These include file names, date type, file path, author name, and among others. So we need to open this file, which is header_footer.csv. So let me go and open that file. Chapter 4. Wait, what is the name of the file again? Header_footer.csv. Oh, actually, it is in chapter 3. Let me extract the folder. There we go. Here I am. Header_footer.csv. See, this is how we know what type of file is that Microsoft Excel comma separated value file. That stands for CSV in short. All right, open this. Of course, we are using Excel. There we go. This is how it looks like. All right, the next instruction is set in the header of the document. So we need to find the header. Possible data loss. Okay. So you have to click this page view instead of normal view. You are going to click the page layout on the bottom right, and you will see header and footer of a page in Excel. All right, it said your name, left align, automatic page number, right align. So this should be your name. Let's just say my name is this, and this should be automated page number, which is, let's say, page number. There we go. Or do we have other thing better than that? Or we don't? Number of page, what's the difference? Let's try that out. Okay. Oh, if you use page number, that is in singular form, and if you use number of pages, it is in plural form. That is the only difference. Okay, I will go with the number of pages instead of page number. There we go, number 1. And it is my name, suppose. And the next instruction in the footer of the document, insert automated file name and path left align. So on the left side of the footer, I need to insert automated file name. It is the name of the file, and also file path. Before inserting file path, I want you to space here so that it will look better. Like this, you have a little space between the name of the file and the part of the file. Okay, and then it said automated date and time right align. On the right align, you just need to insert automated date and time. So you just put this current date, done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, the next part, save the file as spreadsheet with the file name, header, and footers. So you just need to save this file, save as. Okay, this is chapter 3. I'm going to save inside. Instead of CSV, I'm going to use Excel workbook, which is the spreadsheet. Click that, save, done. All right, how easy is that? I bet you can do well in your exam. All right, good luck and see you in the exam room.